Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will lead you to experience a new high-end soundproof sliding window. Tuscan 100 Series Thermal Break Tilt and Turn Sliding Window. Let's take a look at its unique features. Tuscan 100 Series Thermal Break Tilt and Turn Sliding Window is a new high-end soundproof window product based on Tuscany style and extract unique design ideas from it, integrating aesthetic art and pragmatism, and deeply penetrating into the needs of the occupants for a better life. Tuscan 100 Series Thermal Break Tilt and Turn Sliding Window with inward opening and inverting windows to have a different opening experience by simply rotating the handle gently. Rotate up 90 deg, inverted to open the microventilation mode, and rotate horizontally 180 deg to open the sash drift mode. The two opening modes meet the living needs of different spaces. In terms of exterior design, Tuscan 100 Series Thermal Break Tilt and Turn Sliding Window is designed with a panoramic view, which greatly enhances the sense of connection between indoors and outdoors. The large glass panels not only allow natural light to fully enter the room, but also allow the occupants to enjoy a wider view and feel the beauty of nature. Tuscan 100 Series Thermal Break Tilt and Turn Sliding Window comes with insulating glass as standard, which has high-quality energy saving, environmental protection, sound insulation and heat insulation, etc. 39 mm extra wide thermal strip with insulating glass minimizes the interference of wind noise and sound noise to the living environment and ensures the indoor environment to be quiet. At the same time, its excellent thermal insulation performance in the hot summer can effectively block the heat wave invasion to maintain a comfortable and pleasant indoor temperature, while in the cold winter, it can allow sufficient sunshine filled with indoor to create a warm and pleasant home atmosphere. All in all, Tuscan 100 Series Thermal Break Tilt and Turn Sliding Windows are ideal for high-end soundproof windows due to their high quality, performance, and variety of options. Thanks for watching and feel free to subscribe to our channel for more sliding window updates. We'll see you next time.